Okay ladies, get into the look. I'm going to show you how I install her. Super easy and for beginners. This is our gorgeous wig straight out of the box. I'm going to heat up my hot tools to the highest heat settings and apply my wax stick from Care. This is going to cancel out any frizz. I'm going to work that product in and then work on the dynamic duo, which is what I like to call my wax and my hot comb together. And I'm going to do this on both sides, getting rid of any lumps or bumps, and then it pretty much will be good to go. As you guys can see, it definitely will have your wig looking super nice. Here I am taking nice medium to small size sections and really just going in and silk pressing the hair out. Now I personally like to go in and silk press, especially on that first day. This is a key step where you use the flat iron of your choice on a high heat setting, and you pretty much chase a rat tail comb with the flat iron, whereas the rat tail of the comb is really going in and like separating and straightening each strand of hair, and then the flat iron is going behind it, literally chasing it to make those separated pieces super bone straight. This is how you get the most flawless and silky option or result, and it definitely doesn't take a lot of work. And as you guys can see, it has a beautiful sheen. Now that we are done pressing it out on both sides, I'm just going in and hitting it one more time with that electric hot comb.